I'm going to demonstrate the ability to print a statement report. When you first get into QuikTrade, it'll bring you to a screen similar to this. Again, maybe a different color and a different logo, but it'll bring you to this point of sale tab, and we want to go to the statement report tab. Now, if you are not the main contact for your business, you will not see the statement report tab nor the My Info tab. But if you are the main contact, meaning that you have the ability to get to this more detailed information than perhaps a staff member would, you can click on that, and we're going to go to the statement report. When you enter the statement report, it'll have a start date and an end date, and you select the period you want. Sometimes you'll want a statement report to be exactly a month, perhaps August 1st to August 31st. But it really could be any date if you wanted it just for a couple of day period of time, whatever it is that you may want. But select a beginning date and an ending date, and once you've done that, hit the search button, and for that period of time, this will show you exactly what your statement looked like for that period. So I start off, this is my own personal account with a balance of, I was in the deficit of $182.77. You'll see that I can scroll through all the transactions I had that month. Well, in this month I've taken in $323 in sales, but I spent a lot more, $814.54, which means my deficit now is $674.31. So that is the activity on my account in the month of July. Previous balance, that was up here, sales moves here, purchases shows up here, ending balance shows up there. Now I have a credit limit that Partners has extended me, in this case of $1,201, which means that credit limit minus my current deficit balance means that I have remaining $526.69 left to spend. Looks like I need to do a couple more sales to get this back out of the deficit. Also, I can keep track of my cash reserve balances. I started off with $28.25 in my cash reserve. I've made a deposit of $80 this month, or in the month of July. I took in no tips, but I'm not a restaurant. Typically restaurants and salons and so forth would see tips in, but I did pay tips out from when I was eating out, and that shows there. And I've made no withdrawals from my CRA account, only deposits. And I've had $81.46 worth of transaction fees, which means now my ending balance is $9.79, which means I need to put some money into my cash reserve account, is what it looks like. But anyway, I can print that statement report right up here, and it'll print out this full report, and if it's many pages long, it'll print it out however long it may need to be, and that's it. Log off when you're finished.